Hey survivors, welcome back to SurvivorDK. Today we're doing something a little different. This video is all about upgrading my PC. I've got a really great PC right now, but I purchased some excellent upgrades. My CPU was my bottleneck. I've got a 6950 XT graphics card, and it's excellent. But my current CPU is the Ryzen 5 5600X. It is also an excellent CPU, but I've been pushing it as hard as I can. I'm recording and gaming at 1080p on very high settings. It's not 4K, but I've got my settings maxed out, and the game Ark Survival Evolved isn't very optimized. It's pretty hard on the CPU. I'm upgrading it to a Ryzen 7 5700 X3D, which is going to have a huge improvement on my gaming performance. It's a much more powerful processor. It's got 8 cores instead of 6. It's got 16 threads instead of 12. And it's got a lot more memory right on top of the processor. That's the 3D part. So it should be able to handle recording and streaming, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to be streaming 2 new games. I am going to purchase Ark Survival Ascended probably in June. I'm hoping it's going to be on the Steam Summer Sale. We'll see. The Ragnarok map is also supposed to release in June, so that timing should be really good. The 2 games I'm going to stream right now are Valheim and 7 Days to Die. 7 Days to Die is a zombie survival game, and I'm going to stream that on YouTube every Sunday and Wednesday evening from 6 to 9 p.m. Mountain Time. Valheim I'm going to stream on Twitch on Saturdays at the same time, 6 to 9 p.m. Mountain Time. Both those games should be a lot of fun. They're both survival games. Valheim is a Viking survival game. It's very similar to Ark, but there's not much taming and there's no dinosaurs. There's a little bit of taming, but it's a bit different. 7 Days to Die is also going to be a lot of fun. It is a zombie survival game, and it's got crafting and building in it, so I'll be building some pretty cool bases. I'm hoping the liquid cooler is going to fit in the front of the PC. There is a spot for a 3rd fan up here if I take out the CD bay, which I'm not even using right now, so I plan on taking out the bay mounting up here, and then hopefully I can fit this large liquid cooler radiator right there. Currently I have 6 fans in the case. I've got 2 intaking from the front, and I've got 2 exhausting from the top and 1 exhausting out the back. The power supply is on the bottom, and it's also intaking from the bottom. So I think I'm going to keep 3 exhausts, 2 exhausts on the top and 1 exhaust in the back, and have these 3 intake. That should be better than my current setup. I think my current fan setup actually has negative pressure in the case, so it's constantly sucking in dust, which isn't ideal. But with this liquid cooler, I'll have more intake, so I might have positive pressure in the case finally, which means all the little air pockets, or all the little vents on the side will be pushing air out, not sucking air in. And that way, hopefully, all the dust will be collecting in this vent, which I can clean out occasionally. Alright, it's time to do some upgrades. I need to clear off my desk a little bit. I'm going to I don't know if it was pasted very well. There's the Ryzen 5 5600X. And that was my paste job. It looks pretty bad. Jeez, what did I do? Maybe that's why it got hot. Let's do a better job on this next one. Alright, I'm almost there. I've got the CPU in, I've got the radiator and the fans in. I even found a vent to stick in the CD drive bay. I've got the hardest part left though. I need to put the thermal paste on the CPU and attach the liquid cooler. I think I am going to lay it flat first though. Here's my cable management. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. See if we can push that flat. Remove label before install. I did it. I got it in. I was kind of worried about this bracket not fitting. It was pretty tight to get it in there. But I attached it. Now's the scary part. Does it turn on? Let's get it plugged in. Moment of truth. It turned on. I heard it make liquid sounds. There's no water spraying out in my case. That's good. Temperature is 42 degrees Celsius on startup. Perfect. The parts used in this build are linked below, and yes, they're affiliate links. I purchased all the parts on Amazon. Using the links supports this channel at no extra cost to you. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Thanks for being here, survivors. I'll see you in the next video or live stream.